gonna do?
What we're gonna do is, after we fish, we're gonna be going on an adventure to find these.
Oh my goodness.
Man, I can't believe you like the damn chips. It has nothing.
They're like the best chips ever.
So, neighbor's kid been talking a little trash. We got a little bass pond over here. So we all gonna put up $5 a piece and have a little bass tournament. Whoever catches the most fish wins. I'm a little boy fishes in this pond every day, so we're kind of at a disadvantage. I'll let y'all know how it turns out.
Get over there. Right there by your trailer to the gate.
Lizzy, did you get your fishing from?
Okay.
I think I got it.
Do we fish together or no?
I don't know. I got 2 of these.
I might have not grabbed my house.
What?
Fishing pole.
You got it for me.
Did I? The one that was laying on the floor? Okay.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, so $5 a fisherman. You already let us fish like 5 minutes before you since it's your home pond.
No.
Alright.
Even the green stuff don't bribe
Mine and
him.
Jason's my 5. Alright, so whoever catches the most fish, right?
Yep, whoever catches the most fish.
All right.
And we may not catch none.
Yeah, right.
There is a chance.
Thank you. So we don't need no hot dogs or worms?
Yeah, $25.
What you think?
Yeah.
I told him I was gonna beat him.
I'm gonna go do a little practice and brush up on my skills. I'm gonna come over here and fish while he's at school. I'll be ready for next time.
Man, Kyle, what you got done to this thing?
Well, this here is old Claw Banks. It's a 1987 Regal Custom Deluxe. It's got a 427 cubic inch pump gas motor. It's got a little Induction Solutions plate on it. Power glide transmission, PTC, electric windows. It's got a Delco radio and a cigarette lighter that works, and a dome light.
Yeah, I know.
So got a 4.9-inch rear end under it. It's just your everyday driver. Drive around on pump gas, have fun. But if it starts raining and you got the slicks on, hold the fuck on.
Original.
Alright, and y'all go check Lizzy's car out. I don't want y'all looking at mine too much.
Lizzy,
Yeah.
what you got done to this bad boy?
Man, it's just a little old 555 crate engine. They did several versions of it. I might swap over to the fuel injector version. I don't know yet, but this carburetor works pretty badass. Actually was off my dad's other Camaro, and he let me borrow it temporarily until I decide what I want to do. MSC ignition. This thing runs on pump gas. So I can just pull up to, you know, any old kind of gas station and fuel whenever the hell I want, which is nice. And this is a standalone fuel cell right here. So when I do decide to run nitrous, got her ready to rock and roll. It's got rose gold wheels. I couldn't think of a color. Then Glenn at Build Specialties like, oh, why don't we do rose gold? I'm like, oh, you think it's gonna look, well, it's different. I got black in the front, rose gold in the back. It's all good. Makes it unique. I like it. Hoosier tires on the street. Yeah, she's one of a kind. I love her. This is definitely my project car.
Sure.
We had the whole damn.
You gonna plug that fucking nitrous ball back, you little mother effer.
Man, you beat the brakes off me on motor though.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
I went to go open that bottle of beer. Man, I went to go open that bottle of beer.
So, what happened here today was Lizzy put about a car and a half on motor.
Right.
So, I done hooked a nitrous bottle before we left. So I used the nitrous bottle on and blow that ass out.
It's all good. It's all good. Now we're 1-1. So whoever wins the next one is the winner of this race. Okay, just remember. Yeah, right. And then we were entertaining the birthday party down there.
Car, bro. This is
And I ain't gonna be showing pictures and stuff.
You go ahead and talk.
No, it's just
I ain't gonna
going. Go ahead, you're a good talker. You're a good talker. I'll just stand here and go.
So this is a normal day for us, pretty much. So last night we decided to get our street cars out, and we went over there.
I came up with the idea.
Yeah, we put some.
But you thought it was crazy.
Okay. You want to talk?
No.
Okay. So we went over in front of my neighbor's house. That's my neighbor over there.
Hey, Brad.
Hey.
He's the type of neighbor that likes yard of the month and edges his yard and all that, and we're totally opposite. So we put some big old 11s right in front of his house. Today Lizzy was talking a little smack, so we decided we'd take them out and try them out. We only got like a 300-foot bridge, so out here by our house, because we live on a little pea gravel road. So she messed me up first hit, which beat me by about, had to been 2 cars.
Good amount.
You would have let me jump on you though, and then you jumped on me.
That's what you get. I was wheeling you in. Chases the race, I guess.
So I was thinking ahead, and I unhooked her nitrous bottle before we left. That way, just in case she beat me on motor, I could turn my nitrous on and beat her.
I turned it on. It sprayed both me and Brad up.
It's cold. She had nitrous all inside the
Hey,
car
that could
with
be
her.
our air conditioner since we don't got none in there.
And, I put 15 pounds of air in her tires, thinking she'd spin, but it looked like it hooked pretty good, so that didn't work. So,
Oh, Norma Jean, she knew what you were up to. She's like, I ain't gonna let her down. I ain't gonna let her down.
so that's it. Make sure you like and
Subscribe.
comment below. Peace out.
Bye, guys.